So guys, as you can see, I am going to make uh, a khasi recipe. This is called Tungtap. Tungtap means chutney. This is tomato chutney in khasi language. So this is called Tungtap. So actually, I learned this recipe from Shillong. So today, for the first time, I'm going to make this tungtang recipe. I hope you guys will like this recipe. So let's get started. So here I took, as you can see, these are our local dhania. So these are our local dhania. I took this. Then I took one medium size onion, then some local chilies. These are local chilies, and then I took half piece of ginger, and then I took some garlic, and here these are the main ingredients: tomato. So without tomato, tungtang recipe cannot be done. So let's get started our tungtang recipe. So here I'm gonna roast the tomatoes and chilies. And here my roasting tomato is done, and I will take it down. And then I have prepared all the ingredients step by step. Dhania leaves, tomatoes, and my all ingredients: onions, garlic, chilies. So now I'm gonna roast the chilies. Oh, main ingredients I forgot to show you, that is dry fishes, and that is raw fish. So actually adding raw fish is my own style. So you if you don't have raw fish, then you may skip this fish, but otherwise, despite that, you have to add dry fishes, because dry fish is very essential in this recipe. So here I'm gonna roast the chilies. And our roasting is done, and the next step is roasting the dry fishes. So here I took four four pieces dry fishes, and I'm gonna roast this. And now I'm gonna paste all the ingredients in our local mixer grinder. So this is our local our traditional mixer grinder, not local, sorry, traditional mixer grinder. So doing here is it gives very good taste. So that's why I am going to use this our traditional mixer grinder. So I have added here some chopped onions, garlic, and ginger, and then I will add that or the rest of the ingredients like tomatoes, dry fishes, and raw fish. And added here salt for taste as per quantity of taste you have to add. And our tungtang is almost done, so it's now garnishing time, and I will garnish with all the ingredients like onions and our local dhania leaves. So here I have added our local dhania leaves, and now I will mix it well. So here I am using my hand. So guys, finally our tungtang recipe is done. So guys, trust me, this recipe is very tasty, very delicious. You must try at your home just once. You can try at your home, because the taste of this recipe is very delicious. So you may have this recipe with rice. So you must try. And so today I am going to end my vlog here, and in my next vlog I'm gonna show you something new recipes. So until then, stay healthy and keep smiling, and bye bye for today.